Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And today I am back with an amazing product review. So in today's video I will be talking about this product particularly, and I cannot emphasize enough what this product does and how it goes. Like, it is mind blowing. It contains coenzyme Q10, and I will talk about the uses of this as well, like in your skincare routine. So let's jump right into the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to support me, and follow me on Instagram. Let's talk about this product. It's a serum and it's by Amueris Rose. So I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. It's in a skin beauty care range and it contains coenzyme Q10. It is a face serum. It promotes skin renewal, reduces appearance of discoloration and blotchiness. So let's open the packaging and let me show you how the serum bottle looks like. What the bottle looks like. It looks very classy, very like good and elegant. It's glass bottle, so like be beware about that. And it comes with a pump, which I feel is the best thing, because like skincare products may you don't want to go dip it like that. You just like do one squish and the product comes out at the back of your palm or anywhere, or directly if you want to apply it on your face, that as well. So I think pump is a very good thing. It is a 30 ml bottle. The MRP of this is 999, but I got it on sale somewhere around 399 or 400 rupees. So an amazing sale is going on for this product, so you guys can check it out right now. I will add the link and everything on like in the description box. Now let's talk about coenzyme Q10. Like, let me tell you what coenzymes are. So it is basically present in every body cell that we have, and what it does, like, it repairs the energy that our skin needs. That is the basic function of our skin, that is to fight the impurities and whatever is dirt is there, and repair constantly on its own. It is released as an oxidant, and like it helps you fight whatever stress, anxiety you have. So what happens once we age? There's a bird flying right there. In this crucial energy producing, like coenzyme production process, what happens, our skin doesn't fight and like repair itself for the stress or like many other things that is happening to us in like maintaining that youthful healthy looking skin. I will show you the consistency of the product. It's little bit thick. It has little bit of yellow tint to it. Let me get you closer. So this is how it looks like. It's little bit thick. Can you see the shine, the smoothness, the oil in it? It's so amazing that I have started using it like in my nighttime skincare routine. If you have been following me for some time, then you guys know how firmly I believe in nighttime skincare routines. So look at the shine, and my skin is extremely dry. See how quickly it absorbed everything. Like, see, and it gave a very subtle, very like smooth shine, and it has a very subtle fragrance. So if you are like allergic to fragrance, it is not that harsh, but it's still there. So it will like be a very mild fragrance is around you, and in a way it's not irritating you. Still, if you want to consider it, you guys can consider it. And another thing, always do a test patch. I like say it every time in my skincare videos as well. It's very necessary to do skin patch, like test patch, because it's not necessary कि एक product खराब है. हाँ, अगर मतलब मुझे एक चीज से एलर्जी है, that doesn't mean that product is bad. So it might happen कि कोई चीज work कर रही है and you like your skin doesn't accept it the way it is. So always do a test patch over here. It's the best area you can like do a test patch. If you guys want me to make a separate video on how to do a test patch, then do let me know, because I have been talking about doing a test patch for such a long time, and like I don't know if you guys know how to do it, although it's very easy. But still, if you want, I can make a video So like this is so beautiful, so subtle. It has a little bit of like yellow tint to it, and it is thick in consistency, and it's very hydrating, very nourishing, very smooth, very soft. You can use it in your like skincare routine. For best, what I feel, you can use it twice a day, in the morning as well as in the night. And once you are using it, top it off with a good moisturizer or a sunscreen lotion, then it will work wonders for your skin. And you can use this as a makeup remover as well, or underneath your base as a primer. This works so well. It hydrates and nourishes your skin. I use it as a night mask as well. Like I apply a little bit of layer on this on my face, and like I go to sleep. I am big on oils, I am big on serums. Like I love using serums, facial oils and everything, because my skin is extremely dry. And the beauty of this product is it works well for all skin types, even like if you have like normal skin, sensitive skin. And by the way, it's not a sponsored video, like I bought it with my own money, so just putting it out there. I love this product so much, so I wanted to talk to you guys. Now talk about what it does. It gives energy to your skin, that your skin needs the energy to, you know, repair and hydrate itself. So this is what this serum does. If you have radiant and glowing skin, then you have a bright and beautiful like radiance to your face, and it helps in protecting in sun damage, and it's in production of collagen and elastin that we all know. It's so important for our skin. I wanted to specifically talk about the two things it works and it does work is like it helps in getting even skin tone, because we know that at some places we have little bit of dark spots or something like that. It helps. This serum has helped me like reducing that, or little whatever spots I had on my face, that have also gone down. And regarding it also, second thing I wanted to talk about, it helps in reducing fine line and wrinkles. In product, it has coenzymes. It works like the primary thing of this whatever you antioxidant you call is like to fighting fine lines and fighting wrinkles. So it will give you a very younger looking skin. So if you are looking for a like something like good anti-aging serum, because this works बेस्ट फॉर दैट. लाइक गाइस सीरियसली इट वर्क बेस्ट फॉर दैट. इसके अंदर ये जो कोएंजाइम वाला लाइक प्रॉपर्टी है, दैट इज द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट इन दिस serum. Although it has other good ingredients, like it has like lemon essential oil, walnut oil, rose hip oil, like pomegranate oil, sunflower oil. Like it has so many oils that explain the thick consistency of this product. I fell in love with this product. like generally मतलब मैं हफ्ता ट्राई करती हूँ, तो like this in 1 or 2 go I was like wow, like this is what my skin needs. Especially अभी आगे weather change हो रहा है and our skin starts acting up, because like weather change के अंदर like sometimes like जैसे हमको समझ नहीं आता है ना कैसे ड्रेसअप करें, वैसे योर स्किन ऑल्सो डजंट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट शुड रिएक्ट. एंड ड्रिंक वाटर. अनदर थिंग आई विल सजेस्ट यू गाइज टू ड्रिंक वाटर एंड लाइक यूज इट. स्पेशली अगर आप दिन में नहीं यूज कर सकते हो, तो एड इट इन योर नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन. लिंक फॉर दिस प्रोडक्ट विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, so do check it out. So this product gets a very big thumbs up from my side. It works beautifully. It's like chip वाला oil नहीं है. It like relaxes you and soothes you. If you can use it as a sleeping mask as well. Oil का sleeping mask is like bomb. So yes, this is my review for this product. I will add the demo and everything over here, how you can use this product on your face. And thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you guys want me to make a review about any other product that you want me to test on myself for some time, like so that you guys don't have to do, let me know in the comment section. And like stay tuned for my next video. It's Amazon must-haves haul. So like I shop a lot from Amazon. Like मैं बहुत shop करती हूँ. लोग like Instagram और YouTube पे scroll करते हैं. I scroll on like Amazon. So stay tuned for that. Like I have found some gem of products over there. Like I know like Amazon का बहुत hit or miss रहता है. But yes, I got some good products over there. Like this is also like I like purchased from him. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and you were like able to get from this some good stuff from this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. It will mean a lot to me. Bye, take care.